Problem: determine the values of a comma b comma c when A is a orthogonal matrix. That means when A is a orthogonal matrix, we have to find what are the ABC values. So solution: given A matrix is equal to, I'm writing given matrix 0, 2b, c, A, B minus C, A minus B, C. Next, it's a transpose. A transpose is equal to, write row as a column 0, 2b, C, first row as a column, first column, second row as a second column, A, B minus C, third row as a third column, A minus B, C. You got A and A transpose. So now, when a matrix is orthogonal, a matrix is orthogonal, a matrix is orthogonal, a matrix is orthogonal if A transpose equal to identity. When A transpose equal to identity, then the matrix is orthogonal. That means we have to take A is an orthogonal matrix and we have to find ABC values. So A is an orthogonal matrix means what is that? A transpose equal to identity. So now in the next page, A transpose is equal to identity. So now we write A matrix. A matrix is a 0, 2b, c, A, B minus C. Next, A minus B, C. This is a matrix. Check it. A matrix. Next, A transpose. So, what is A transpose? 0 A C F 0 A 2B B minus B 2B B minus B. Next, what is the third row? C minus C C. C minus C C is equal to identity. So identity, it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. A is a, so you have to take 3 cross 3 identity. That means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So now we have to multiply A into A transpose, row into column. Wait a minute. Row into column we have to do. So now 0 into 0 0, 2b into 2b 4b square. Next C into C, C square. Okay. First row into first column completed. Next first row into second column. Wait a minute, I'll erase this. Next first row into second column. So what is that? 0 into A, 0, 2b into B, 2b square. Next C into minus C square. Okay. Next first row into third column. So 0 into A, 0, 2b into minus B, minus 2b square, C into C, C square. Next, second row into first column, A into 0, 0, B into 2b, 2b square. Next minus c into c, minus c square. Next second row into second column. What is that? A into a square, b into b plus b square. Next minus c into minus c plus c square. Next second row into third column. So a into a square. Third column, this one. A into a square. B into minus b square. Minus c into c, minus c square. Next third row into first column. A into 0, 0. Minus b into 2b, minus 2b square. C into c, c square. Next third row into second column, this one. So now a into a square, minus b into b, minus b square, c into minus c square. Next third row into third column. A into a square, minus b into minus b plus b square. Next c into c square. So is equal to 100, 010, 001. Now in the next page, when you come to the next page, what is value? 4b square plus c square. 4b square plus c square. Next 2b square minus c square. 2b square minus c square. Next minus 2b square plus c square. Minus 2b square plus c square. Next what is second row? 2b square minus c square. 2b square minus c square. Next a square plus b square plus c square. This is a square minus b square minus c square. A square plus b square plus c square. This one a square minus b square minus c square. Next third row, minus 2b square plus c square. Minus 2b square plus c square. Next a square minus b square minus c square. This one a square plus b square plus c square. A square minus b square minus c square. Next a square plus b square plus c square is equal to, right side what is there? 100, 010, 001. 100, 010, 001. Okay, so now we have when two matrices are equal means corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements means in the first element what is there here? 4b square plus c square is equal to 1. Second element 2b square minus c square is equal to 0. So that means when two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are also equal. So you have to make them equal. You will get some equations. Solving that, we will get the ABC values. So what I am doing means I am taking 4b square plus c square equal to 1. 4b square plus c square equal to 1. You select any of your choice. Finally, you have to find the ABC values. 4b square plus c square equal to 1. Okay. Next, 2b square minus c square equal to 0. Okay. Third one is also minus 2b square plus c square. This is also same. Okay. 2b square minus c square minus 2b square plus c square. Suppose if you take third one, what you'll get? Minus 2b square plus c square means is equal to 0 means minus 2b square equal to c square. This is also 2b square equal to c square. This second third elements representing the same equation, so you take one. Okay, so I'm taking 2b square minus c square equal to 0. This third element is nothing but it is also same like a second only. Next, take another one. Another I'm taking a square plus b square plus c square equal to this one. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 1. You take any choice of your equations. A, B, C, three unknowns is there. You have to take the three equations, three different equations, and you have to solve. Remember one more time. Three unknowns. How many unknowns means A comma B comma C. Three unknowns is there. So you have to take three equations, three different equations. So now this as a 1, this as a 2, okay, this as a 3. So now 2b square equal to c square. So how we can write 2b square minus c square equal to 0. 2b square equal to c square. Okay. So you got this is a from 2. Whatever you want, you can do. Finally, you have to get the ABC values. So we have to solve 1, 2, 3. So 2 implies, wait a minute. Otherwise, 1 implies, what is that? 4b square plus c square equal to 1. Can I write like this? 2 into 2b square or 2 into 2b square plus c square is equal to 1. Wait a minute. Okay. 4b square I am writing 2 into 2b square plus c square. 2 into, what is 2b square value? Just now you got. Its value is a c square. C square plus c square is equal to 1. So in the next page, so now 2c square plus c square, it is a 3c square. 3c square equal to 1. So c square equal to 1 by 3. Okay, c square equal to 1 by 3. Next, 2 implies what is that? 2b square equal to c square. 2 implies what you have? 2b square equal to c square. Okay, so 2b square equal to, what is c square value? 1 by 3. So now b square equal to what will get? 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. B square is equal to 1 by 6. So you got b square value. Next, now equation 3 implies, so what is the equation 3? A square plus b square plus c square equal to 1. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 1. So now a square, what is the b square value? 1 by 6. C square value 1 by 3 is equal to 1. A square 1 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. A square is equal to LCM 6. Okay, 6 minus 1, 3 2s are 2 1s are 2. So what is value? 3 is its value 6 minus 3 by 6. So 3 by 6. Therefore 3 1s are 3 2s are. A square equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, what you got the values? In the next page, a square equal to 1 by 2 we got. Next, b square value 1 by 6. B square value 1 by 6. Next, c square value 1 by 3. C square equal to 1 by 3. we need ABC values. So A is equal to what will get, plus or minus under root 1 by 2. B is equal to plus or minus under root 1 by 6. C is equal to plus or minus under root 1 by 3. These are the ABC values.